If Lisa's swing was only half as long, what would her period of oscillation be? So if this is the case, my new length is now 2 meters. That's 1/2 of 4. I know that gravity is 9.8 meters per second. Once again, we're looking for period, and that's going to be in seconds. And the equation is 2 pi square root parentheses L over G. So I have period equals 2 pi over the square root of 2 over 9.8. So I have period equals 2 pi. And once again, I'm going to do this math first. Square root of 0.204081. And then I'm going to take the square root next. And I get a result of 0.45175. And then to complete all of it, I get a period of 2.83844 seconds. Let's call it 2.84 seconds.